In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear wheel hub assembly on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Honda Civic safely. It is now necessary to release the parking brake in order to clear the grip of the brake shoes on the drum. Hit the brake drum with a hammer to release it from the wheel hub. On this vehicle, you can use the threads on the drum brake to screw 2 bolts into these positions, which will push the drum brake outwards and allow easy removal. Remove the drum brake. Using a wire brush, brush the 4 wheel hub retaining bolts. Using a ratchet and a 14mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the wheel hub to the knuckle. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can now remove the wheel hub from its location with a hammer. Remove the wheel hub. Remove the seal. Once the wheel hub assembly has been removed, thoroughly clean the location of the hub assembly in the wheel knuckle using a wire brush and brake cleaner. You can order the wheel hub assembly used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the wheel hub assembly. Install the new seal on the wheel bearing. Then lubricate them with silicone grease to facilitate its insertion. Install the wheel hub assembly, aligning the bolt holes with those on the rear brake backing plate. Retighten the 4 bolts first by hand. Then screw them back in with a ratchet until they make contact. Finish tightening the bolts in staggered order using a torque wrench. You can now clean the hub with brake cleaner. Then, clean the contact surface between the brake shoes and the brake drum with brake cleaner and paper towels. Put the brake drum back in place. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.